All right, what's good, boys? It's episode 21 of me documenting my journey to profitability. As you can see here, we took no trades today. We're still at 154,750. If you, by any chance, missed the last few updates, let me just walk you through what happened last week real quick. So, last week, to start the week, we were one trade away from passing our evaluation. That caused me to force three trades that were out of my plan, and then the last two trades were valid. This one I set my stop to break even. It stopped me out, and then my trade thesis played out and went for like 20 points. So that was frustrating. Tuesday was interesting. I think took three losses and then made it all back. Wednesday, two losses and then a nice winner to set us back to one more trade till we win. And then Friday was our last, or Thursday, I'm sorry, was our last day before getting rebuild on our evaluation. So basically, we went into the day with the mindset that we were either going to pass or risk a few times trying. So basically, I took this trade. I was then $900 away from passing, and then I just tried to short VWAP like 6 times in a row, and then that took us down to negative 1,600 on the day. And that's where we're at now because yesterday we broke even and today we took no trades. So that is still the place we're at. Um, I hope that my performance the last week can be a good reason for you guys to not become attached to your account balance or your evaluation status. Um, yeah, you can watch my last update to get a more in-depth explanation on last week or just my mentality for these two losing days. But yeah, those are my two losing days that I've had in a month. So I have been trying to be very selective with my trading the last month. And basically, I'm completely staying away from any setups that are not in my trading plan. So if price isn't at my key level, or if price, not even if it's at my key level, but if it's not doing something at my key level, I'm not going to take the trade. So that is why I haven't even had a losing day in until last week. And it's just a perfect reminder that this is what happens when you become attached to an outcome of a trade or an outcome of, for me, it was my evaluation. As soon as there's something that as soon as there's a number you're trying to hit or something like that, it it switches your subconscious, and then you're all of a sudden completely willing to allow bad habits and bad entries to get put on, and it just basically fucks you over. Which this is exactly what the prop firms want, by the way. They want you to be close to passing your evaluation, and they want you to blow it like I basically did twice last week. Because I guarantee you, if I would have stuck to only my trading plan on this day or on this day, if I would have not forced any trades and stuck to how I've been trading this whole month, I would have had a Express account right now, and we would have been trading on an Express account this week. So I just didn't really set a good example for you guys, and I want to let you know that the mindset I had, especially on Friday, where I was just putting pretty much gambling on getting like a small sell off from VWAP, just don't even do it. I mean, it's just not worth it, especially whenever you're so close. Just wait for your plan to play out, wait for that good setup, and only take those. And if you're trading on like a self-funded, like if you funded your own trading account, if you trade how I traded the last month, you would be doing very well right now. Like just sticking to your plan and only executing based on um, pretty much your plan and real confidence. I mean, that's how you're supposed to trade in the first place. But I hope you guys can see my trade Zella right now and just realize that that is exactly what I've been doing the last month. It took me I did really well, as you can see. I didn't have a losing day, and then as soon as the pressure was put on to pass my evaluation, I started doing things that I wouldn't normally do, and I paid the price for it. So yeah, we're back to doing that. Today I definitely missed out on a trade. So yesterday and today we had the same trading plan. It was basically for price to come up into this 5519 to 5530 level, and we wanted to see sellers appear here to play short. Yesterday I took it short. This is a 5-minute chart. Yesterday I took it short. I believe it was right here. Let me just pull the 1 minute out. Okay, so yeah, holy shit. Yeah, so yesterday I took it short at 5:15. So I saw it basically kind of bounce off of my key level, and I wanted to try it short right here. So I got in short 5:15. We went about like 8 points in profit. So I moved my stop loss to break even, which was at my entry 5:15. And then as you can see, we stopped out for break even. And then I did not try it again right here, although it looks like it would have been a good entry. I kind of just didn't want to, I didn't see enough confluence for me to try it right here. And I was honestly doing some other stuff, kind of distracted on my computer to keep it 100. But yeah, so I missed out on that short. That would have been nice for a quick, like, let's see, say we get in at 20. I mean, that would have been a nice, easy, like 14, probably 13, 14. And then we had the same exact trading plan today. So back on the 1 minute, and as you can see, we get right up into about 5527, and then we sell off very strong today, which it would have been a little bit slow in the beginning, but it would have been a really good entry. But I just didn't see enough confluence for me right here. It was kind of quick in and out of our key level, and I should have tried to get one on one of these retests of this 5519 level, but I was hesitant, I guess you could say. So yeah, I didn't take that short today. It would have been a good trade. Basically, my plan traded today and yesterday, and I kind of missed out on it. But anyway, so that's how this week's been going so far. Yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys got those shorts, or if you got any nice entries today or yesterday, or you can hit me up in the Telegram or on my Instagram DMs. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one tomorrow.